Hello, my friend. I'm Lisa. Today, we will make a hospital with 4 rooms.
Dr. Lisa, help me!
So beautiful.
Whoa! Wow!
Congratulations. So lovely.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Luckily, I'm very healthy.
Complete the house frame from cardboard and colored paper. I hope you like it.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
First, we will make the red room. This room will be used for treating children. Make the hospital bed. Flatten the clay piece. Wrap the cardboard with clay to form the bed. Make the cushion. Cut the excess fabric. Amazing! Make the heart rate monitor. Cut the clay into a square shape. So beautiful! Decorate the room's accessories.
Dr. Lisa, help me! My child is sick and cries all day!
Don't worry, Barbie. I will examine the boy.
Huh?
Congratulations! The boy is healthy again. Good boy. Here you go. The boy has been cured.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Have a good day.
Wonderful! The red room is complete. Next, we will make the blue room. This room will be used for newborns to sleep. First, we will make the baby bed. Add 4 legs to the table.
Whoa!
We will need 2 baby beds. Add medical equipment.
Oh, Anna, you're about to have a baby, right? That's right. So please take care of your health. I'm about to give birth. Help me, Ginny. Okay, let me call the hospital to pick you up. My friend is about to give birth. Please take her to the hospital.
Get in the car, girl. We need to undress to perform the surgery to deliver the baby. Start the anesthesia process.
Wow!
Congratulations! It's twin boys.
Thank you, Dr. Lisa.
Nothing. The third room we will make is the green room. This room will be specialized for medical equipment. Make the storage cabinet. Place the medical equipment in the cabinet. Ew! Make the table. Amazing! The third room is complete. Finally, we will make the yellow room. This room will be used for dental and end examinations. First, make the examination light. Woohoo! So lovely! Woo-hoo-hoo! Add the reclining chair.
Doctor, please check if my baby is okay.
Excellent!
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Wonderful! The 4-room hospital is complete.
The bed is too small. I will go to the next room. There's nothing to eat here. Lisa, please examine me. Luckily, I'm very healthy, but I'm hungry.